here at Danforth, around Danforth in Main Street. And Danforth Street actually has the subway line in Toronto. So this is a bit south of Toronto, just before downtown, a bit east of downtown. And I'm here because we're going to Wheels and Wings. It's not a chicken wing place, but it's a hobby model shop. Right here. Wheels and Wings Hobby. And folks, what they sell here are models. Cars, airplanes, military army models, and also the anime, Gundam anime models. And beside it is handiwork department, handmade gifts and vintage treasures. We can go here later because this is a very interesting store too. Look, they have these old ads, cigarette morgue, Viceroy, all these things. We'll come here later, but first we'll go to Wheels and Wings. And the reason we're here is because my son wants to get something for his friend's birthday. Let's check it out. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we'll just look around. Hi. Some of the Pokemon, Dragon Ball anime characters.
Is there a phone charger here?
What charger here?
This is one of the biggest hobby store in Toronto.
Oh, wireless, eh?
Yeah.
This beautiful plane.
Oh, I had like no idea.
Let me take it to work.
It's a
Do you have like a plug-in
Canadian
one or no? Kyle sometimes.
aviation.
Oh, NASA. On like Instagram or something.
You have the paints, paintbrushes.
Yeah. And like,
Tamiya is the famous Japanese model brand.
it is.
They have the sprays here for the paints.
Okay, yeah.
Army military airplane here. And as you see, when I entered, they were nice and friendly too.
Yeah.
This is one of the most
But
famous
that's the best
here in
when you
Toronto.
can take something from there and then
Danforth.
bring it into
See how
like
friendly and
what you wear
helpful
today.
they are.
Or like that's a good t-shirt, right? So. All right, I
Yeah,
enjoyed
kicking
chatting,
you
and
out.
I'm gonna like,
kicking you
yeah,
out.
I gotta make stuff, and now I know to look for
If
these
you
other
don't-
things.
If you don't move faster, I'm gonna have to fire you.
Oh, I know, right? I'll be working here in 2 weeks.
I'm gonna enjoy the sun.
They have the luxury, exotic
That's fun.
car models.
Yeah.
Hello, Wheels and Wings.
Hello. Oh, so this is the weird sorting right now?
Hi, rather choice.
They have all the stuff to build it, the tools on this section. This section is all Warhammer, and the Gundam section is right here. Gundam is the famous robot, Japanese robot character, anime.
Dude, there's another section down here.
So we're here at the best hobby model store in Toronto.
Oh, there you are. It comes with Chiron. Cute, there's a lot. Yeah.
They have different grades. HD is high grade, gamer.
Yep.
What's the highest grade, master grade?
No, perfectly.
There's a perfect grade. It's metal. You paint it. It looks exactly like the robot in the cartoons. And they have the basics too. So the prices are from like here, the Canadian, in Canadian dollars is from about $30.
Somewhere in there?
Yeah, it's like I guess it's
What's the
more-
cheapest?
It's cheaper. Like the cheapest would be like $15 for like
Canadian, there is.
Canadian, but like for like
So the basic is about $15 in
but that's like the very basic.
very basic.
And then in
yeah.
Japan, it might be like $8.
It's cheaper in Japan when you get it. I guess it's local there, you know, maybe more competition. They make it there. How about the master grade? How much would that be?
Right now, here, we,
We should check
could
out
be like
the
$60 to $80,
$60.
which is pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good for a model that you have to assemble. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. The guy works here. He's very nice. He didn't want to go to the shop, but yeah, we're vlogging here, so we want it's natural. Things are happening, unscripted.
Like here's something like either this one for him, or
For your friend, his birthday.
yeah, or this one.
How much is that?
This one is 28 and this one's 21. Yeah. It's solid.
What do you think? Maybe you can also base it on his
Yeah.
his skill and which one he'll enjoy
He's
building.
He's built before because he likes doing model. He likes model.
What kind of model does he usually do? Cars or?
He'll do like he'll do like Godzilla.
Oh,
Like,
stuff
he has
like
a lot
that.
of Godzilla stuff.
They have Doraemon, very popular character in Japan. He's a cat, and he has this superpower. He can get anything. Get anything from his pocket. He's technically a robot in the future, I think, right? Doraemon. Yeah, he's a robot pet in the future, and he has like super special powers. I have a Doraemon sticker on my main base. It's blue, and it look good there. Because my base have superpower. They have more stuff here. They don't allow backpacks, to make sure you don't grab anything and put it in your bag. Revell is popular too. See, these are the Gundams. When they're built, when they're completed. So they have different one, the smaller one, some basics, and then the higher grade. Marilyn Monroe. This is Dune. It looks like Timothy Chalamet. Jackie Chan. Princess Leia. I think that's in Return of the Jedi. Is it, guys? You can correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, this is really cool. $50. The old Batmobile. Which Batmobiles do you guys like? From which era? From which movie? I like those old ones. The convertibles. They have these sexy like figurines. They're very popular too. I don't know much about them, but a lot of people like collecting them. Like this one.
It's not this. I just want to show you what this is. $130.
$130. And what is that? Is that the perfect grade?
No, this is master grade.
Master grade.
But it's like made by like a special designer.
Master grade is the second to the highest, right?
Yeah. But see,
Master grade, and then perfect grade.
and then like this, he designs it where it's like where he changes it different. See, that's perfect grade right there.
This is perfect grade, right? So look at that huge box. Let's see the price. Actually, it's $330. The price is $330 right here. You know, if you're looking for gifts, this would be a good place because look, they have Jurassic Park, they have airplanes, they have cars, motorcycles, they have Star Wars. And it's creative. It's creative. They have war theme, space theme, movie themes. It's good because they created, they built it, you know. And they also have the cheaper one. This is a $12.95, $13. They can start with these. And for little kids, they can do this little cars.
No, this is just this one.
More planes. These are the plane section. Trucks. And the real ones.
My uncle has these.
These trucks. This rally cars. These are the car section. Military section. They have Lego. They have recycle boxes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. My son is just gonna pay for it. Okay, go ahead, Gabe. Let me know if you need anything. So my son bought the Gundam for his friend and we're done with Wheels and Wings. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the handwork department here.